Hello everyone. So as it turns out, the new Copilot app for Windows 11 is not actually a native app for the operating system, as several users have discovered that opening Copilot actually launches Microsoft Edge. The discovery surfaced on April 6th after people inspected the app's file and behavior. And basically what this means is that we can go to the installation folder for Copilot, and if we rename the actual Microsoft Edge folder, I'm just going to call it back. And then I'm going to rename the Copilot folder to Edge. And then if I go to right here, you can see it says MS Copilot.exe. If we rename this to MS Edge, and if we simply run this executable, we're going to see that it launches Microsoft Edge. So according to the user who discovered this works even if Microsoft Edge and the Edge WebView 2 components are uninstalled from your computer. Now, if we revert the changes, let's just name this MS Copilot. And then if we rename this to Copilot, then we'll restore the Edge folder. Then if we go to Copilot, then if we launch this executable, the Copilot app should start. And there you go. So what are your thoughts about the Copilot app not actually being a true native app for Windows 11? Let me know in the comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.